Okay, shape number 3. It has 5 points. Let's start by going pull click to 4 and then pull click to 4 and then Alt or Option pull click to 7. So let's move in, let's get it bigger, hit the P key, and let's pull click to 4, pull click to 4. Let's, as this said right there, let's Alt or Option pull click to 7. Then I'll move it up. Then it says right here, pull click to 5. Okay. Now it says Alt or Option pull click to 11. So I go Option and bring a handlebar over. Don't place these two handlebars over each other. Sometimes they get stuck to each other. So let's down here is first pull click to 7, then Option pull click to 11. So there's a pull click to 7, then an Alt or Option pull click to 11. Then we go over here and a pull click to 7, then re-click the point. Then we need to go up to here and shift click. Now that might hurt this. And there's a way that in the future, there's a way that you can actually do this in one click that'll kind of help. But I'm just going to shift click when I see the circle, and it's going to kind of change that one. It's going to kind of take that handlebar that was going this way, and just for some reason Illustrator is popping it out that way. All I have to do is take the direct selection tool and just make it go back. That's all I have to do. So now we have it done, and we need to fix the corners. So I can make my screen bigger. And I want to show you guys something that could get you into trouble, but I want you to be aware of it before you even get into trouble so you know what can happen. So before we go editing points, let's click to the direct select tool. Now if you've done that, let's zoom in. Let's click this one point and put it away, and now put it back where it's supposed to go. Don't worry, we'll get it back to be right. Okay, it's not a big deal. And let's go over here. Let's zoom in. You know that's Alt or Option and middle mouse button. Let's move this one over and now put this one back right there. Let's zoom out. Now let's zoom in. Let's pick this one up and put it where it's supposed to go on the bottom right there. Little bit farther down, right about there. Now let's go over to here. Pick this one up and put it right about there. Now let's go over to here and pick this one up and put it right there. Now we're ready to take the same direct select tool and play with the handlebars. But if you're in the direct select tool, I want to show you an error that can happen. If I hold Alt or Option, do you guys see the plus sign that's appearing? What does that do? If you grab a hold of something and you hold in the direct select tool, you hold Alt or Option, do you see how you just keep on making duplicates of things? Well, that's not good. So let's Command or Control Z back 3 times. And if you're in the direct select tool, there's no reason to hold down any other key. Okay? When I was in the pen, to toggle to the direct select tool, I have to hold the Command key down and keep my finger on it. But I'm just going to hit the A key and we're just going to go from there. Now that I've fixed the 4 corners, let's grab this handlebar and pull. And now grab this handlebar and pull. And we are just about there. It's going to take about 4 or 5 more edits to get it pretty. Let's go over to here. I'll move it down with the space bar just a tiny bit and pull it over. Now let's go over here and pull this one towards the right, back to the left on this one, and back to the right on this one. And now your tolerance is pretty good. I do have a little bit of red showing there. If I was really picky, I would put this one down. I will save the file. And I'll move it back up. Okay, so now we go to this one. Now this is where I have to tell you sometimes it's the length of the handlebar that's going to help. So this one needs to go closer and down. And now let's go up with it. Here, let's go over. Oh, is that in the right place? I don't think it is. Let's move it and move it back. It must have shifted or I made it shift. Whatever. So now let me look at where the line is. Okay, this one needs to go up, up, and a little bit into the file. Whoops, a little bit in. I have to zoom in and get it. Okay, there we go. And now a little bit in, and let's take this one and bring it a little bit down and in. There we go. And now this one can go a little bit more to the left, and that's going to make this one correct. And this one goes more to the right, and there we go. That's not even in the right place. Let me pick it up and put it in the right place. Boy, Brian, you're not doing a real good job here. But that's what the editing process is all about. So I want you guys to just realize it doesn't come easy. It just please have patience. It's not about getting an assignment done, okay? It's not. It's about getting good at the pen tool, which I am, because I've only made every mistake there is to make in the entire universe of mistakes. So I want to tell you about this curve. The handlebars should be equidistantly. Boy, that tolerance is getting to me. The handlebars should almost be equidistant in length, and because it's almost an even curve. And you can see how I have the handlebars pretty close. I guess I didn't put this back in the right place. I didn't do that yet. I can do it now. Okay, and let's go like this. And sorry about this. Let's go close. Okay, that's ridiculous. Ah, that tolerance is nuts. Okay, let me zoom out. Let's get this one to go up a little bit. And pretty good. Now let's go over here. And this one is going to go to this side. Okay, and I believe before I make it go up, I'll make it go up a little bit, but this one is going to take most of the upward movement right here. And yes, I'm right, but I didn't have this in the right place. I guess I didn't put these in the right place yet. I never make a mistake. Yes, I do. I make many. So let's go over here, and I just have all the patience that I need, and that's close enough. That's not bad. And let's go back up here. I swear I thought I put these in the right place. Maybe I moved it and I didn't realize I moved it. So let's go over here. You know, I did get a new mouse. It's a Bluetooth mouse, and it's kind of acting funny, but let me see if I can find that handlebar. Ah, do you guys see it right there? Right there, see that little handlebar? Here, let me get close. See that little handlebar? Where does it need to go? And what tool do I use it for? I grab the anchor point tool and I make what? This is going to be neat. If I grab the anchor point tool and make it go straight down, watch that corner fix. Did you see that? I'll do it again. If I grab this and make it go straight down, that corner gets all pretty. And there's your point. There's your number 3. I'll save the file. Now, this one is off. So let me go back to the A key, and whoa, is it off? Boy, Brian, you're not very good. And let's grab this and move it over, and let's grab this and pull back a little bit, just a little bit, and there you go. So number 3 is good. Time for number 4.